Hello viewers, all are welcome. This is Aravindar Anne Arut channel. In this video, we have to see the Karnataka cabinet passes anti-cow slaughter ordinance. I request you, all the viewers, to kindly watch the full video. Now we shall go to the inside the video. Karnataka Cabinet on 28th December 2020 Monday passed an ordinance to put into effect the stringent anti-cow slaughter law in the state after state government could not introduce it in Legislative Council. The Karnataka Prevention of Slaughter and Preservation of Cattle Bill 2020 was passed by the State Assembly on December 9th. It will now be sent to Governor Vajubhai Vala for his approval. However, slaughterhouse will continue to function and beef consumption will not be prohibited with respect to buffalo meat. The anti-cow slaughter law is not new. We have had it for decades. Previously, there was a ban on slaughter of cows until the age of 13. We have extended it with an intention that older cows should not be left out, since the prohibition does not extend to buffaloes. There is no ban on beef consumption. Law and Parliamentary Affairs Minister J.C. Madhuswamy said. Speaking to reporters after the cabinet meeting here, he said the ordinance is likely to be sent to the governor within a day for his assent. The government is also considering building Koshala, that means cow shelters, to ensure that aged cows that are not used for milking do not become a burden on the farmer, he said. The Karnataka Prevention of Slaughter and Preservation of Cattle Bill 2020 bill proposes a maximum of 7 years imprisonment and a fine of rupees 5 lakh for the offenders. It seeks a total ban on slaughter of cows in the state and provides for stringent punishment to those who indulge in smuggling, illegal transportation, atrocities on cows and slaughtering them. The government had to opt for the ordinance route as the bill passed by the Legislative Assembly earlier this month in the winter session amid din and stiff opposition from the Congress has not yet been approved by the Legislative Council. The Council was adjourned sin die even before the bill was tabled there for passage. For a bill to become law, its passage in the Legislative Council followed by assent by the governor is necessary. Nothing that objections the centre had on the then BJP government anti-cow slaughter bill of 2010 has been addressed. Animal Husbandry Minister Prabhu Chaudan said the earlier one also prohibited slaughtering of buffaloes. In the present bill, the prohibition is for the slaughtering of buffaloes until the age of 13, he said. In a statement released by his office, he said cow is the root of Indians' culture, faith and farmers' livelihood. Expressing concern over the decline in the number of cows year after year, he called on everyone to rise above politics to work towards the growth of the state cattle assets. Opposing the bill just for the sake of politics and misleading the public is intolerable, he said. Citing the 2019 cattle census, Chaudan said 2.38 lakh cows are slaughtered every year. Even a day's delay would lead to slaughter of 662 cows, he said. If it continues At this pace, we aren't far away from a time when cows will only be read about in books. Stopping illegal transportation and slaughtering in our priority, he said. Despite resistance from the opposition, the then BJP government led by B.S. Yediyurappa in 2010 had got the controversial Prevention of Slaughter and Preservation of Cattle Bill passed that proposed to replace the Karnataka Prevention of Cow Slaughter and Cattle Preservation Act 1964. The bill had widened the definition of cattle and imposed a blanket ban on cattle slaughter, coupled with stringent penalty classes for violation. However, the Siddaramaiah headed Congress government that came to power in 2013 withdrew the bill that was before the president for his assent. After BJP came back to power in the state, several party leaders have been making a pitch to reenact the anti-cow slaughter law. Chaudan, along with officials, had even travelled to Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat to study and gather information on implementation of the laws there before bringing the 2020 bill to Assembly earlier this month. According to sources, BJP that hurriedly tabled the bill and ensured its passage in the Assembly in the winter session did not do so in the council, sensing that the numbers were not in its favor with opposition, Congress and JDS against it, and may refer it to the Joint Select Committee. Hello viewers, this video liked by you means kindly press the like button and share to your relatives and friends. Kindly subscribe this Aravindar Anne Arul channel also. Once again, we will meet in the next video very soon. Thanks for watching this video.